Hello students, this is Arvina Ali, Faculty of Mount Litra, Z School, Jhansi. Children, I hope you all are doing great and had a wonderful time during your summer break. Now, children, we are going to resume with further studies. So students of class 2, as I have already explained you pronouns, so children, in this lecture, lecture 2, we'll have a quick recap of pronouns and will continue with the solving of the exercises in your English Enjoying Grammar book. So children, as I have already told you in the previous lecture that pronouns are used in place of a noun. And children, the most important point to remember is we use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns in the sentences. Children, he pronoun is used in place of the name of a boy or man. She pronoun is used in place of the name of a girl or a woman. They pronoun is used in place of the people or thing being referred to. Now children, it pronoun is used in place of a thing and also animal. I pronoun is used in place of a person who refers to himself or herself. We pronoun is used in place of people including the person who is speaking or writing. You pronoun is used in the place of a person or person spoken to. Children, I have explained you with a quick recap where we use which pronoun. Now, let's start with the exercises. So, exercise number 1. Take the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Children, in these sentences, pronouns are given and you have to take the correct pronoun. Let's see the first one. Number 1, Renu is my best friend. Options: he, she, it is very clever. Children, as we know, we don't repeat noun again and again in the sentence. So, we replace it with a pronoun. So, in this first sentence, we got to know that Renu is a name of a girl or a woman. So, in place of a girl or a woman, we'll replace it with the pronoun she. So, in the second sentence, we are going to take on she. Now children, number 2, Mr. Ramesh is the principal of our school. Option: he, she, it is in his office. So children, Mr. Ramesh is a name of a male. So in place of a name of a male, we are going to replace it with the pronoun he. So the correct option is he. Now number 3, don't drink water from this well. He, she, it is dirty. Children, now someone is saying that don't drink water from this well. So, the well is a thing and in place of a thing, we are going to use it pronoun. So, correct option is it. Number 4, the boy in the photograph is my brother. Option: he, she, it is very tall. So children, brother is what? It is a male noun. So we are going to replace it with he pronoun. So he is very tall. So the correct answer is he is very tall. Now number 5, Sunil and I are neighbors. Option: they, you, we often play together. Children, when you're talking about more than one person, that is Sunil and yourself, so we are going to replace it with pronoun we because you're talking about yourself also. So we are going to use we pronoun. So the answer is we often play together. Now children, number 6, Guru and Sahiba are waiting at the bus stop. We, they, you are waiting for the bus. We, I, it is late again. So children, when you're talking about more than one person and not about yourself, about someone else, so you are going to use they pronoun. So the answer is they are waiting for the bus, and bus is what? It is a thing. So you are going to use it pronoun. It is late. Number 7, Mother, what are we, they, you doing? Chitra and Nina, they, we, you are watching cartoons on TV. Children, mother is asking Nina and Chitra what are dash doing. So children, when you are asking someone something, you are going to use you pronoun. It can be one person also, it can be more than one person also. At both the places you are going to use you pronoun. So the first one is mother said, what are you doing? Then Chitra and Nina said, are watching cartoon on TV. So Chitra and Nina said, we are watching cartoon on TV. Why are we doing we correct? Because Chitra and Nina is talking about themselves only. Now children, number 8, Rohit will option I, you, we come to the park to play. Asif and Amar, yes, option they, we, you will. Children, now Rohit is asking Asif and Amar to come to the park. So when you're asking something to someone, you're going to use you pronoun. So the correct answer is you. Now Asif and Amar said, yes, we will, because they are talking about themselves. So that is why we are going to use we pronoun. Now number 10, my dog is happy. Option they, it, you is playing with a ball. So children, when you're talking about an animal and that is one, so we are going to replace it with it pronoun. So the correct answer is it. So the answer will be my dog is happy. It is playing with a ball. Exercise number 2. Rewrite these sentences with he, she, it, we or they in place of the words in color. Children, what you have to do in this exercise, you have to replace the noun and it is in color with the pronoun, and the pronouns are he, she, it, we and they. The man is walking fast. The man is in a hurry. Children, the man word itself is telling that it is a male noun. So we are going to replace a male noun with he. So answer will be he is in a hurry. So like this you are going to write. Now number 3, where are the birds? The birds have flown away. Now children, the birds are more than one. So they are plural noun. So plural noun, when they are more than one, we are going to replace it with they pronoun. So the answer will be they have flown away. Just like this, you are going to write in your grammar book. Now, rest of the sentences I have already done for you. Number 4. Miss Geeta is our teacher. Miss Geeta teaches us English. So children, here also Miss Geeta is a name of a woman. So we are going to replace with she pronoun. So answer will be she teaches us English. Now children, number 5 is Linda and I went to the library. Linda and I saw many books. So children, Linda and I is a plural noun. As you're talking about yourself and some other person, so we replace this with we pronoun. So answer will be we saw many books. Now number 6. Where is Ginger the dog? Children, Ginger is the name of the dog. Ginger is in the garden. So children, when you're talking about an animal, you replace it with the pronoun it. So answer will be it is in the garden. Now children, number 7. Sama and I read a book. Sama and I liked the book. Children, Sama and I, when you're talking about yourself and some other person, so it is a plural noun. So you're going to replace it with a pronoun we when you're talking about yourself. So answer will be we liked the book. Number 8. Where is the cat? The cat is in the box. Children, by the word the cat, we have understood that it is an animal. So when an animal name is coming and it is singular, so we are going to replace it with it pronoun. So the answer will be it is in the box. Children, homework time. Children, as I have already explained you exercise number 1 and 2, now exercise number 3 is a homework for you. You have to do it by yourself. In your English Enjoying Grammar book. Now, note for dear parents, kindly help your ward to read and solve the exercises of chapter 3, that is pronouns, in their English Enjoying Grammar book, as you are the common medium between us and our dear students.